My name is Cassandra Dean, and the found instrument I made is called a shaker. I used two paper plates, and on one side I done the principles of design. On the other side I did the elements of art. And I use glitter. I like to be creative, and I put some rocks in this. I'm getting glitter everywhere, but that is the sound that my instrument makes. And how I would use this in class, biology, if we were doing a lesson about the heartbeat and using art integration, I would have the students create their design using the elements of art and the principle of design on the plate. So I would let them decorate how they would like, and the way that I glued the plates together, I used fingernail polish, and I would provide them some rocks that they could get from outside, or I would bring in some rocks from the dollar store, and let them I put a fourth of rocks in here and glue it, and then the sound that it makes. And the way I would use this in my classroom is if we are doing a biology lesson about the heart, I would ask the students to make a noise how they believe the heart would beat at rest. Or they can even put their hand on their heart and they can do how their heart is beating. And if they have been outside playing and running, I would ask them to use their instrument, the shaker, to tell me how they believe their heart would sound after they're playing. And of course, the heart would be beating fast. Hopefully that is the sound that they would make. And if their heart is at rest, like they're just sitting in class, it should work the normal way. So that's how I would use it. I would just have my students in my biology class explain how they believe their heart would beat, and we would then discuss the heartbeat, and to incorporate, to integrate art with it, I would have the students draw out the principle of design and the elements of art. Thank you.